Okay, so to download and install TeamViewer QuickSupport, the first thing to do will be to get to your Android home screen. So you can swipe down from the top, press your home icon, then we're going to go into Firefox. And at this point we're going to search for TeamViewer QuickSupport and APK. We'll go down to the Android TeamViewer. We're going to accept cookies. Go down to the, if you want to receive support, TeamViewer QuickSupport, and we want the APK. So we're going to open that. We're going to allow it to be downloaded. Press download. And that's downloading there. So it says it's downloaded, so we're going to hit open. It's going to say we need to enable authority here. So we're going to allow. Then we're going to go back. We're going to install again. This time it will install. Now we're going to open it. It just flips the screen around on us, but we're going to agree and continue. We'll scroll through this, get done on there. And we're going to set up our special access. We're going to go settings. We're going to allow. We'll go back to home here. Swipe over here back to quick support. Now we can hit install. There, allow from this source. There, back here and install. Install. Done. So now we have an ID there. So that's the ID, that's the unique ID for this system. So that's what can be provided for support. When support is trying, you'll get a message here saying allow. So you choose allow. The first time you get support, you'll need to enable this universal access. So we're going to tap this, hit OK, use service. We're going to go through and we're going to say allow. So we've enabled that. We're going to go back. And then we're going to say that we're allowing our screen to be shared or recorded.